भारती सिंह के अरेस्ट ने स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियंस के बीच तनाव का माहौल क्रिएट कर दिया है। While some of her friends and colleagues in the industry are supporting her and showing empathy towards her, there are others like Raju Srivastav, जिन्होंने भारती और उनके हस्बैंड को उनके अरेस्ट पे strongly criticize किया है। This has led to a war of words between him and Bharti's friend Krishna Abhishek. Bharti and Harsh were arrested after small quantities of a banned substance were found in their home and office. The comedian and her husband were arrested and have allegedly accepted before the NCB that they consumed banned substances. However, since the amount found was very small and it was for personal consumption, the two were released on bail by the NDPS court. But soon after, rumors shuru hue that Bharti, who makes frequent appearances on a show hosted by comedian and TV anchor Kapil Sharma, may be asked to leave the show because of her supposedly tarnished track record now. लेकिन भारती के कई कॉलीग्स ने इस रूमर को गलत बताते हुए कहा है कि भारती को शो से नहीं निकाला गया है।
वैसे भी जो लोगों को हंसाता है उसके साथ करोड़ों लोगों की दुआएं, हमेशा से दिल से दुआएं निकलती हैं इनके लिए और आज भी यही निकल रही हैं।
Krishna Abhishek, who is also a part of Kapil's show, had reacted to rumors of Bharti's ouster and said, "Even if something like this happens, I will support Bharti. She should get back to work. जो हो गया वो हो गया. Both Kapil and I are with her. She has my unconditional support." लेकिन जहां एक तरफ शो के कास्ट मेंबर्स भारती को लेके सपोर्टिव है, वहीं राजू श्रीवास्तव, who is also a successful comedian, has been critical of Bharti's arrest and had questioned Bharti on why she resorted to consuming banned substances. Don't you think the love from 130 crore people is any less intoxication? Why do you need to do all this? He had commented during an interview. राजू जी के ये कमेंट्स कृष्णा को गलत लगा एंड ही लैश्ड आउट एट द कॉमेडियन सेइंग कि उन्होंने बहुत ही बकवास बात की है एंड एडेड कि उनकी पूरी टीम राजू जी से नाराज है। इस वॉर ऑफ वर्ड्स को एस्केलेट करते हुए राजू श्रीवास्तव ने भी कृष्णा के क्रिटिसिज्म का जवाब दे दिया और उनसे पूछा है कि क्या कृष्णा बैन सब्सटेंसेस कंज्यूम करने को सही मानते हैं। द सीनियर कॉमेडियन सेड, व्हेन कृष्णा सेज ही स्टैंड्स बाय भारती, डज ही मीन ही डिफेंड्स हर? Is this the kind of image that he wants to project of the comedy community? Should I not pull up a wrongdoer in our community? Or have Krishna and Bharti become such big performers that I can't criticize them? It is unfortunate that the community stands divided in a difficult situation, quite like Bollywood was torn apart in the aftermath of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise. One can only hope that Bharti finds ways to make amends and makes a return to the field which has brought her so much love and appreciation.